Hi guys, this is V and Fat Biker again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, V and Fat Biker. But before we proceed to our new latest tech gadget, please, subscribe. Click the subscribe here. Come on, subscribe. Then click the bell icon so you will not miss anything for all those latest gadgets that I'm going to review in my channel. But before we proceed, I would like to shout out again Akimain TV. See you soon in Philippines, okay? Akimain TV, and shout out also to Vitras. Thank you so much for all the support. These two guys, really great, man. Rock and roll. Okay, so let's start now. This is the Xiaomi dashcam or Mi dashcam. Okay, as commercialized, this is a 1080p full HD. Okay, and definitely this will be for you, those guys have a lot of cars or car that would like to document all vloggings, okay, of your travel while inside your car. And of course, it will help for those accident, knock on woods, okay, no accident please, to have some evidence on it, okay, while in transit for driving. Okay, let's open it up and hope this will help to all of you, and hope you will like the unboxing of this and how to use it soon. Okay, how to use it, we'll be having a different video for that one. Okay, this video is exclusive for unboxing for the Xiaomi dashcam 4K. Okay, I don't know it's 4K. Let's see if there's an option for 4K, but I believe it's only 1080p. Anyway, let's wait. Let's open this one. Okay, let's get it on, guys. Okay, let's open it up. This Xiaomi or Mi dashcam. Okay, as you can see, it's totally sealed, still in plastic. Okay, the back's quite good, so hard, not so cheap. Okay, the Mi logo. Okay, and you can see here, 3-inch widescreen LCD. Okay, touchscreen LCD. Then you have an alarm or a night mode also. Okay, and of course some of the details on this one. Okay, so let's open up what's inside this Mi dashcam. Okay guys, okay, advance Merry Christmas to all our guys out there, mga kababayan. Okay, here's the box. Okay, look like a box of an iPhone. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's see if this picture, okay, correlates to the actual gadgets inside. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay, guys. This is the Mi dashcam. Okay, this is the Mi dashcam, as you can see. Okay. So there's a cover for the lens. Okay, cover for the lens. Okay, let's see. Okay, on the lens, as you can see, it's really good for vlogging while inside the car. Okay, just hook it up in your car. Rear view mirror. Okay, let's put it on first. Oh, there we go. The 3-inch touch screen LCD. The shutter button and the power on button as well. You have the micro USB port for this one. Okay, probably for the power supply. Okay, and Oh, on the side is your SD card on this side. SD card. Okay. And there's some two buttons here for microphone and audio. Okay, this is the actual head unit. The rest are molded box only, and I would like to show you something. This one. Okay, this is a magical stick. Do you know where is this? What is this? It's not for here. Okay, so this one will help on the harnessing of the wire. Okay, so when you're installing this one, putting some wire going to your cigarette power supply button, so you need some wiring, you need to hide it. This is the one that you need to use for harnessing the wire and keep it under all those plastic blocks in your car. Okay, to hide those all wirings. This is not used for the shoes, this is not for the ears. Okay, just kidding around. Okay, there's some there you go. There's a free, okay, there's a 2 pieces free LCD and camera screen protector, same like we are using in our cell phone. Okay, to avoid some scratching. Okay, I thought only cell phone have this one, and anyway, it's free. We have this one, of course, the one that will hold. See, there is particular hole in here. You can use this one, snap on, then in your car, beside your rear view mirror, then there you go. Okay, so it's free already. The mounting. Then there's also this is the power supply. Power supply adapter. Okay, there's a USB here going to your Mi dash cam. Okay, this one goes to your cigarette power supply button. Okay, it's also provided. And there you go. Okay, this is the cable. The cable that will support to your from your cigarette supply going to your Mi dash cam. Okay, to power it on. Okay, that's it. And the rest are manuals. Manual instruction, English, French, Spanish. Okay, there's also some Vietnamese here, and Chinese, of course. Okay, so that's what's inside and the content of this Mi dash cam. Okay, this is really good for those people who have a car out there. Okay, used for vlogging. So continue to follow me on the next video how to install this one. Okay, about this Mi dash cam or Xiaomi dash cam, and then let's check what is the quality and reliability in capturing videos while in travel. Before we go the travel is how are we going to install this one to our car, doing some wiring, then capture all those crispy videos. Okay, you said it's a crispy 1080p quality videos, good for your YouTubing. Okay, out there. So there you go, guys. So thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing of this Mi dash cam. Okay, so another new gadgets that will help, especially for those car enthusiasts there, and those, of course, for those family would like to document all their travels using their car. Okay, see you around again. See you next weekend for another.